Yeah, check this out, man. I ordered it for the box truck, and I want to install it. I got it on Amazon. I got a pretty good review on Amazon, so check it out, man. If you guys don't know about my history on this channel, I do things like this: install, like upgrade, install lights and radio, how you call that, backup camera and stuff like that. So yeah, this is crazy though. I kind of like it, and it's kind of like plug and play, if I have to say so. But you have to be some type of handy person to know how to install it, right? The the only hardest part for this thing, it would be like installing that on the bumper. But the connection is very easy to me. To me though, the connection is very easy. So I have the. This is crazy, beautiful, right? Take a look, guys. Whoa! And it comes with a bracket. All right, to secure that. I think it's one for each side, and there's another one for the other side. All right, that's two, right? Then this is a separate one here. They all come together though. You guys not gonna believe it. This thing's like 50 some dollars, 50, less than $60. Check it out, right? High quality, same material. It's not a plastic though. An ammonia or whatever material it is, man. It's really nice looking, right? I like it. So I'm gonna install that on my second truck, and I still waiting for my EID device. So this for that one, and there's another one here. Crazy, huh? Yeah. Man, let's say my truck gonna be seeing me at night. There's another one right there for that. And this is the wire. I think it's 20 foot or something. It's pretty long though, pretty long. And it comes with like a power switch. Let's take it out of the plastic real quick. Yeah. So, and they also include a spare fuses. You can keep it in your truck to just in case the fuse blew up. So this is going to be inside the truck. Turn it on and turn it off. It's pretty. They have everything lined up for you though. I mean, like I said, you have to be some type of handyman to know how to connect this, but it's super easy to do. So let's take the attachment on it real quick. Attachment from this one real quick. So how easy is that gonna be? It got a fuse. This is what you connect your fuse. All right. So over here gonna go to the battery. All right. It's gonna go to the battery, and right here will be your fuse. You can open this and change your fuse. You guys see that? Pretty easy, just in case your fuse blew up. So you gotta make sure you hold on to the remaining fuses out here, and everything else will be connecting directly to each light. You guys can see everything else. Let's say this one go to one light, and this one go to another light. That's two, right? You guys see that? And then another one here go to number 3 light. So let me put all three together so you guys see. Remember, we have 3 different lights, right? Sorry guys, I honestly not set up anymore for unboxing product. So yeah, you see that? Pretty simple. You put the red wire here, you put the black wire here, and you clamp it down. That's it. And then I already showed you guys the one that go to the battery, which is that one right there. All right, this one go to the battery, and then this is the sound like a relay or whatever. It's like a control unit, right? Supply, it control power, reduce power or something like that. So yeah, you're just gonna attach this somewhere anywhere in the engine compartment, somewhere there. Is, like I said, very easy to connect. So anyone could do this. Anyone who, like who knows something about handy job, this is not something to be confused about, man. I'm right at the truck, and I already installed some part of the light. Unfortunately, the wire is too short. The wire is kind of designed for a little car, like a sedan or SUV, not a box truck. Like, so it's too short. It won't fit all the way to the driver's side because the battery is right here at the passenger side, right? Check it out. So I removed my battery cover, as you guys see here. These are my tools, right? You need a 15mm to untie the battery right there. That's the positive, and you see back there is my negative. So this is my fuel box. Remember, right, the unboxing, that's the little fuel box right there. If it's blew up, they give you extra fuels too. So this is my relay. I'm going to hook that up somewhere here. All right, so it's still right there. Then let's go, let me show you guys. It's kind of running all the way here, right? Unfortunately, you see this is too short. So this right here needs to be in the center, the long running lights, right? So what I'm gonna do is go to AutoZone and get some, try for these not to touch each other because the battery is already connected. That's why I kind of push this plastic piece forward. So I'm gonna go to AutoZone and get extension wire, so I'll be able to run this all the way at the front. Check it out. But this one right here is the passenger side. You guys see it's working, right? It's working, and I need to adjust that. All right, so this is the driver's side. So the driver's side, once again, the wire won't fit over here. All right, so this is the other wire that's supposed to go to the driver's side. This is how far it could get. So I have to go to AutoZone and get a wire for this one that go into the driver's side, and a wire for, remember, that other one that's gonna be right in the middle, so which is the big one right here. So I'm gonna have the big one right here. All right, you guys see that, like right in the middle there, right? I'm gonna have it sitting right there. So yeah, but unfortunately, I wish I could like come on with everything before I show you guys the final work, but at least you guys see that I have one side of the light is working, right? So let's go ahead and turn it off. This is the switch. This is the switch right there, right? You guys see the switch? It got a little light in it, you can see that. And let's turn it off real quick. There we go. Now let's go see the light to see if it's on. You see the light is off, right? The light off because we turned off the switch. The wire for the switch is too short, so I need to get an extension wire to run it all the way inside the truck, you know what I'm saying? So let's turn it on again. Alrighty, and take a look. See, the light is on. Alright, so connection is pretty straight, right? It's pretty simple. If you want it to fit, all the way, you have to order additional wire, right? So it get from the battery compartment all the way, as you guys see. The wire is pretty heavy duty. That's the thing I like about it, so, but if you run it this wire, you have to make sure that it don't get anywhere close to the fans. It's gonna rip it up. So what I'm gonna do, sorry, I'm gonna zip tie them on things like that, right? Zip tie it so they won't move. Just like you see the zip tie and all of this stuff over here. I have a zip tie in my bag, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I guess I'm gonna end the video over here because if I have to wait, I might not even finish this today. It's already 6 p.m. So yeah, these are my tools I took from home. I have a couple wires home. Yes, I got wire home, but I don't know if it's heavy duty like this one. All right, but I'm definitely gonna go to AutoZone and search for the really good wire and make sure that it support all the powers coming to the light. I don't need something that's gonna burn later, right? So that's kind of things like that. Like I said, it's a very easy plug and play. If everything was like lined up, if that wire was something that could fit all the way to the driver's side, I'll be able to get this thing going today, like all 3 of them, man. But one of the big thing over here is that I have to drill the hole. If you guys see, I already mark over there. I have to drill the hole. I don't know if I'll be able to do that. If I, I don't know, but I'll try to see. I got a heavy duty drill. If it doesn't work, I might find a different way to mount the light. So that's the problem. It took me a while to get a hold on this one. It took me a while to get hold on this one here, and I want it right there though. Because the bottom plate is kind of a little flat compared to over here. There's nowhere here to drill the hole, nowhere here to drill the hole. So I had no choice but just kind of putting it underneath here. Something tells me to put this one also, like right underneath the license plate. But but it would be really nice to have it like right next to that radiator right there. That's your boy, man. That's your boy for the African. I kind of try to, like I told you guys, I started this channel with, vehicle maintenance and other different stuff. But it looked nice though, far away. If you see your international box truck coming like that, let kind of close that hood real quick and see what happened. You guys see that, right? It's really not bad. It kind of changed it, even if it's not on. It kind of make it look a little different. But like I said, the passenger one is on. It is super bright, guys. It's super bright, and I can't wait to see what this bad boy is gonna project at night. Because remember though, there's only six over here in this one here, but this one here, wow, how many of them? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 32, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Damn, that's like 42. That thing gonna make people go blind. But you know what? So long as DOT legal, it don't matter. So long all this light is on anywhere from 60, 40, 50 watts, that will be okay. You gotta take a look. You see how the zip tied in? It's kind of hard to see, right? This is right here. I zip tied them pretty good, and I closed my battery compartment. Everything looking nice. And I have the switch hook up here for now until I find like additional wires to run it in the in the truck. But for now it should stay right here. So until I get it going. You see that? So when I turn it on, light is on. But like I said, man, I have to get some additional wire. So this is what I did here. I kind of zip tie everything, as you guys see, pretty nice and clean. Because when you start the truck, the fan is gonna be blowing like crazy. You don't want anything running into that fan, so you're gonna cut it right off. All right, so this right here, I have some electrical tape on it for now, so they won't touch anything. Because I still need an extension anyway in order to run this to the big light. And this right here, I did the same thing, put some electrical tape so they won't touch each other until I find an extension for them. But for now, they're pretty secure with the zip tie running all the way in there. So yeah, man, like I said, you gotta learn how to do things on your own so you save some money. So let me go ahead and turn this off. There we go. If you have this in the truck, every time you turn it on, it's gonna be, it's gonna have that little light to let you know that it's on, right? So you'll be able to turn it off. So that's your boy, man. I'm out of here. I'm still waiting for my crazy electronic device to be able to get out of here. But in the meantime, I want to take that time to do something to make your truck look nice. So yeah, let's go ahead and close this bad boy. I can't wait to drive my truck, man. But even though with that little LED hanging right on that, man, it make it look nice during the day, even if it's not on though. So that's your boy, man. You guys stay too. I will keep you guys updated, and if everything is working 100%, like a short little video, and post it out there to let you guys know. Peace and love, man.